Welcome to I Am Kids Rian YouTube channel.
In this video, I am going to show you how you can apply to the finance office to get password. To do that, go to any web browser. Then you can search for Portal das Finanças or Finance Portugal, or if you know the complete address of the website, you can go with that as well. I will put the link of website in the description so that you can click on that link and you will directly go to the finance website, or you can go from here as well. Then you can press enter. Now you can choose the first one, or www.portaldasfinanças.gov.pt, or you can click here Finance Portal. Then to register or to get a password of the finance, you can either go from this way or this way. I'm going to show you both of them. This one is actually made for registering for the first time, and this one is for logging in to this site. From here as well we can do the registration. Let's see it first and we will go through register as well. Click here. Then in this page you will see here new user. It means this is the registration part. If you click here, then it will direct you to the register page. This is the one way. Another way is directly clicking here, then you will get this page directly. You don't need to click on new user. It will directly go to the new user. Now you can go through this message. After registration, the password will be sent to your tax address. If you specify an email and a Portuguese mobile phone, you can cancel and recover the password and also receive informational alerts. It is clearly said that the password will be sent to our tax address, the address which is already registered in the finance office. If you have a new address than the address registered in the finance, you have to change your address before doing this registration. Otherwise, the letter of the password will go to the previous one, so that you may not get your password. So be sure about the address. First change if you are in a new place, or if you think you cannot get your letter, then you have to change it. If you think you will get even though you are not living on the previous address, then you can leave it as it is. So be sure about that. Now here VAT number or NIF number. Put your NIF number here. It is mandatory. You have to put it. Then here type your email. It is optional. Then you can type your phone number. This is also optional. And here tax address. Be sure about that. Be careful about the tax address. It is said that make sure your tax address is up to date. So be sure about that. If you are in a new address, or if you want your letter in the new address, then you have to change it first in finance office. Then you have to do this registration. Then secret question. Choose anyone among them. You can choose favorite book, favorite movie, color, song, TV serials. Among them, you can choose any one of them and then put the answer of that question. Be careful. This question and answer will help you to recover your password if you forget it later on. Then click on register. After registering this, within 2 to 3 weeks, you will get a letter from the finance office, and then you can change the password of the finance office, because the passwords sent by the finance are typically difficult for you to remember. So you can change your password and then you can put your password whatever you like. For that, I have made another video. You can follow that. I hope this video will definitely help you to register or to get password from the finance office.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.